Okay, so hi dear Cancer, very good evening to you guys. This is Taro Anjali, and this is a journal of reading for all the Cancer Sun Moon Venus rising from 10 till the 16th of November 2025. Roles can be reversed also, and if it is not resonating, this is not your story. Want to be a reader like me? You can purchase my courses. Links are given below in the description box for tarot reading course, self-love course, and Ho'oponopono masterclass. And for personal reading and healing sessions, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. So let's start. Cancer, the overall energy or the mutual energy of the connection right now. Let's see what we guys have for you. The overall energy or the mutual energy of the connection right now for you guys. We have the Six of Pentacles, the Tower, Three of Swords, bottom of the deck is the Knight of Cups. Okay, so something is not working out here, something fell apart. There was like a lack of equal give and take of energy, and both of you were trying to balance it out somehow. One of you was giving too much, the other person was not able to give that much in the situation. Maybe they were taking the situation for granted, and now the situation fell apart. Now there's a lot of pain, heartbreak, and a lot of guilt and or regret in the situation that you guys are feeling. It's like heartbreaking kind of energy. Both of you are going through the pain of the situation, although it's like the term pain is not common for you guys, like it's not the same kind of pain that you're feeling. One of you is feeling the pain because you're not able to save this bond, even if you were giving too much, even if you were trying your best. The other person is having the pain of guilt and or regret because they were not able to do whatever it took for this situation to be a good relationship. Now they are having a lot of regret over it, regret and or guilt, and now they are feeling the pain of the situation after losing the situation. So something happened here and everything fell apart, right? Bottom of the deck is the Knight of Cups, right? So there's a sense of asking for apology, there's a sense of message communication, apology, a peaceful resolution, peaceful solution to a problem. Deep down you guys are hoping for some kind of resolution to the problem. Instead of letting this go, you guys are still trying to figure out the solution of the problem here, right? So the mutual energy is of falling apart, the situation falling apart. And the lesson for this week for both of you is the Three of Swords. Both of you have to talk about this pain that you guys are going through so that you guys can come on the same page and start from the start and see what can happen next, see what you can do about this pain. Instead of just crying or sulking, try to figure out the real solution to the problem here, right? Let's see your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now, Cancer. I'm having cold. Ace of Wand, Ace of Wands. So this person is feeling quite excited, quite in energetic kind of feelings where they feel like having a brand new beginning with you, and they're very attracted to the idea of having this brand new beginning. Very attracted to the idea of physical attraction is so much. Let's clarify the Ace of Wands here. So we have the King of Cups, the World card, and the Six of Cups. You know, they know that the love, the bond, the connection is not as strong as it used to be. The love portion is kind of not that much strong in the situation, but because of the memories you guys that you guys shared with each other at some point of time, this person is still feeling very attracted to the idea of coming towards you and having reconciliation because of the memories, because of the good friendship, the good bond that you guys shared with each other at some point of time, not because of love. So somebody feels like coming forward towards you with a fresh energy, with this intention of having reconciliation, but they are very sure that the feelings, that the love is not as it used to be. The love is gone, but the memories were so beautiful that they feel like they can live in the past with you. They're very much attracted to the idea of being with you the way you guys used to be with each other at some point of time. So basically they're stuck in the past, they're stuck in the past beautiful memories, and they want to have that kind of connection back with you the way it used to be, not the right, not the new one, not the refined one, not the one that it should be, but the one that that it used to be at some point of time. This is what they feel. Hmm. And they're excited, they feel excited about it, like, okay, we used to had a very good time, maybe physically you guys were very compatible, so they're excited about that. Where is the real love? Ask them. I don't understand. Let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Cancer? The Chariot, this is your card only. Cancer, you feel like moving ahead in your life and not looking back no matter what. No matter what is happening right now, no matter what is happening, what is going to happen next. You just feel like determined to keep moving ahead in your life and not looking back no matter what, right? Let's clarify the Chariot here as your feelings. We have the King of Wands, the Ace of Cups, and the Empress. You feel like you should take action in moving forward in your life, where you are going to meet someone who is going to love you, who is going to take care of you, who is going to have a good relationship with you, and you guys are going to have growth and expansion and a lot of happiness. It's like you feel like moving towards a new person, a new energy who is going to give you everything that you deserve in your love and relationship area. You feel like leaving something or someone behind from the past that you were still stuck on till this point of your life, and now you feel like this is time for you to say goodbye to them and move towards a brand new person, a brand new energy who is actually going to be there for you for the long term, who is actually going to be in a energy of providing love, care, and happiness to you, and a long term partnership to you. This is what you feel, moving towards a totally new person, new energy, who is going to be your soulmate, who is going to have the same vision, the same feelings, the same kind of vibes with you. The love between you and the past person is gone, but the past person is still stuck on the memories, and that's why they're not able to let go. And that's why you were also maybe participating in that situation. Now you're realizing that it's not worth it, so you are feeling like moving towards totally a brand new energy, brand new person, and moving towards your real soulmate. Hmm. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them? Cancer. Five of Pentacles and reverse. They want to get out of this victim mode and they want to remain optimistic and positive in this direction. They want to repair the situation between you and them. They don't want this hurt and pain and victim feeling left out in the old cold kind of energy coming between you and them. Let's clarify the Five of Pentacles in reverse here. We have the Six of Wands and the Eight of Pentacles, the Five of Cups. This person wants to prove their worth to you, Cancer. This person definitely wants to prove that they're worthy of your time, effort, and energy. They are worthy of having a beautiful relationship with you. They are worthy and they deserve this chance because they and you are made for each other, and both of you can make things work out. And they definitely want to get out of this guilt and or regret of not doing the fair share of the deal. Now they want to put in the effort and energy. Now they want to prove their worth in your eyes, no matter how difficult it is going to be, because of the guilt and regret they are having because of whatever they did or whatever they were not able to do in the situation. Hmm. See, when you're no longer interested, when you know that this is not going to work out, when you're not there anymore, now this person is feeling like giving their best because they feel like they're losing you. And they also know that the love is gone, the love is not there anymore. This is like they just want to prove their worth to you somehow. I don't know how, but this is what their intentions are here. Let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, Cancer? Queen of Swords. You just want to keep things very fair and clear cut. You just want to cut the crap and be very, very honest about your feelings, about your needs, and what you want and what you don't want in your love and relationship area. You just want to have a crystal clear energy of this is how it is going to be, and this is how it should be. If it is not happening the way I want it, I don't want it at all. So you just want to be very, very fair and just with this situation. Okay. Let's clarify the Queen of Swords here, honey. We have the Ten of Cups and the Nine of Wands and the Ace of Pentacles. You want something long term. You want something committed. You want something that's going to be there for the rest of your life. And you just want to tell this person very, very honestly that you are not interested in them because you know it's not going to work out between you and them the way you want it. It's never going to happen. So you want to move towards something better, someone better. Maybe for some of you there's a new person already in your life that you are going towards, moving towards. If not, you have this idea that until unless you are going to let go of this person that you are attached to, even if it is energetically, you will not be able to find your true soulmate. So you just want to clear this one thing to this person that you're energetically attached to, that you are no longer interested in this situation because you know it's never going to work out in that manner, this long term partnership, this happy go lucky energy. And you just want to move towards your new soulmate, new person, new energy that's going to be there for the rest of your life. Let's see what could be the potential outcome for you guys till the 16th of November. Ten of Swords. Something is going to end here. A brutal ending, a defeat. Something is not ending beautifully. Let me clarify the Ten of Swords here. It's like the end of a chapter, end of a cycle, end of a situation for sure. And it's going to be difficult. Let's see. We have the Queen of Pentacles, the Eight of Swords, and the Knight of Pentacles. This situation, till this point of time, you guys were considering a situation as the one for you, but now it's going to fall apart because this is not what you thought it is going to be. And it's going to make you feel very frustrated, very angry, very stressed out. But at the same time, finally you are going to realize that you have to let go of this particular person or situation out of your life, out of your system, slowly but surely, because this is not something that you signed up for. This is not the real soulmate of yours. This is just an illusion that you were running behind, and now it's falling apart because this is how you are going to make room for the soulmate, the person, the energy that's actually meant for you and good for you. So actually this is happening for your highest good, this falling apart. And this is like, it might seem like injustice, it might seem like brutal to you guys, but you were not listening to the universe. So the universe have its own ways to make people understand. Sometimes it's very ugly and rude. So it might seem like defeat to you, it might seem like ugly and rude to you, but this is the truth of the situation. The sooner you are going to accept it, the easier it's going to be for you guys. Yeah, so this is it. Okay, let's see what we have as a guidance for you guys, my love. Cancer. And all the men in the comment section calling me honey, darling, love, fuck off. Don't do that. Don't do that. Please call your moms and your sisters and your girlfriends and your wives that. They might feel very happy, and you should, right? Don't call a random lady on YouTube honeymoon, blah 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 blah. I'm talking to the collective, and for me collective is not male or female, it's just energy. And you are talking to me in a pervert manner. Don't do that. Don't do that, honey. Okay, let's see what we have as guidance. Three of Cups. Okay, so you should share some light-hearted moments with people who are actually good for you, good for your energy, who gives you energy, who gives you good vibes. Okay, so you can connect with a group of people, your soul family or your literal family. Have light-hearted energies, have fun. Okay, it's like right now it's time for you to enjoy your own selves, enjoy the bonds with your friends and your family and people who really likes you, really likes to be with you, and focus on your on good things, good vibes and good vibrations, good vibes and good energies, and everything that's meant for you will come to you eventually, Cancer. It's like just a lesson that you have to learn the hard way. For those of you who are already out of a situation that you were continuously trying to work out for, it's a good thing. For it's a lesson for those who are still stuck there, who are not able to let it go, and finally they are realizing it's not going to work out, and it's for their own highest good, right? So even if we are Cancer, I am Cancer moon, and this reading is not at all applicable on me because I'm single from a long time. But for every Cancer there are different stages. For some Cancer, you guys are already out. For some, you are still stuck there wanting to make it work out, but somehow now you know that it's not going to work out. For others of you, you don't care. It's like a new energy you're waiting for, right? So you might be in the middle of this transition. Anyways, so enjoy your life to the fullest with people who are there for you, who really likes your company and who gives you energy. Okay. Okay, my love. Let me answer one of your questions related to your love and relationship area. You can repeat your question 3 times in your mind space. Keep it short, simple, and precise. And I'm going to give you the answer in next 10 seconds, and your time starts now. Okay, so the answer to your question is yes. It's a clear cut yes. I don't have to explain. I don't have to read from the guidebook. This is just a simple, plain yes for you guys. So, yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Cancer. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you. Namaste.